Hi and welcome back to a new video, and today I will show you how to import dataset from GitHub to Google Colab. And for me, I will show you only two methods, but there are a lot of methods. Of course, you can come to this blog and you will find everything. Of course, I will put the blog in the description box and also in the first comment, so you can come here and copy paste the comment that we will use and also try the other methods. Because for me, I will show you the first method, which is the easiest one, which is to import the dataset from GitHub using the raw file URL. So for this tutorial, we will use this data sets. Look, there are a lot of data sets here. Of course, I will put the link, of course, of this URL also in the description box and in the first comment to use these data sets for your projects. So for us, let's just go to anything. I don't know, this for example, and here is, for example, the data that we will use. So you will click on it, and then let's go step by step. It says like click row, which is this. So click here, and then it says copy it, and then run this. Of course, just copy paste it from here in Colab. Let's go back and change this URL with this URL that we got from the row. Okay, so we will come here. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick, and paste it here, and then you can just upload it, and here it is. As you can see, the data set is here. You can, I don't know, you can, okay, let's just oops, okay, I didn't do anything, just avoid this. Okay, so you can of course now use the data set as you know and as you wish. But also the second method, if this didn't work, and let's say that you want to clone the entire repository, what you will do is, let's go back here into the full repository. What you will going to do is copy paste this. Let's paste it here, and here you will copy the URL. As you can see in the comment, there is github.com, the username, and the repository.git. So here we will just do that, and as you can see, okay, because I already exist, because I already did this, let's see it. So because I already did this, that's why it's not executable, but you can find it here in the files, and as you can see here in datasets, you will find all the datasets or the same repository of the GitHub. These are the easiest ways, but also there are a lot of other ways. There's method 3 with wget and curl. There are a lot of other things, like with Google Drive also. I think I put it, yes, here. There are a lot of other methods, of course, if it didn't work, so you can use the two other methods. But for me, I always use the first one because it's the easiest one. It's it's the easiest one. So that is our tutorial for today. If you want to, I don't know, if you have any other question or if you want to know something else, just tell me and I will do a video for you. So see you guys, I love you so much, and bye bye.